The moment a humanoid robot steps into a kitchen and prepares a full meal with its own hands is more than a tech demonstration. It's a point in time that makes humanity stop and ask whether we've just crossed into a new era. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is heading directly toward that milestone, not inside a lab or a controlled factory environment, but in a kitchen created for human hands, human habits, and human unpredictability. Elon Musk believes Optimus Gen 3 will spark the humanoid robot revolution, not by being the strongest or fastest, but by solving the fundamental challenges the rest of the robotics industry still can't overcome. Cooking is the ultimate test, a task that can be faked or simplified. And before going deeper, Musk has clarified the widespread confusion. The yellow and black bot images circulating online are not Gen 3. Those are versions 2 and 2.5, still teleoperated for training. Gen 3 has not yet been shown publicly and is expected to debut in February as the first polished, real-world ready version. Unlike Gen 2, which needed teleoperation and often stumbled during trials, Gen 3 is built to function autonomously. Musk claims it can perform around 100 open-ended tasks per day thanks to its ability to learn through observation and imitation. He even predicts that Optimus could cook daily meals, behaving like a genuine household assistant rather than a controlled lab robot. This isn't marketing hype. It reflects Tesla's long-term strategy to turn robots into part of everyday human life. To understand how Gen 3 might conquer the cooking challenge, it helps to trace the evolution from the early Bumblebee prototype to Gen 1, Gen 2, and the more refined 2.5 model. Every generation has made visible leaps, especially in design. Many people underestimate how much a robot's physical form determines its capability. Yet nearly two-thirds of humanoid robots' real-world performance depends on design choices. Too heavy and it wastes energy, too light and becomes unstable, too exposed and it appears threatening instead of home-friendly. That's why version 2.5 introduced cleaner lines, enclosed joints, fewer visible cables, and more finished, less robotic appearance. The best way to see Optimus' potential is to place it in the most relatable environment possible, the kitchen. Cooking isn't a simple chain of actions. It's a delicate, real-world puzzle. A basic breakfast like eggs and bacon requires the robot to open a fridge correctly, identify ingredients, apply just the right amount of grip, crack eggs without breaking shells the wrong way, operate a stove safely, use cooking tools, and time everything with precision. Every motion demands coordinated perception, dexterity, and balance control. If a robot can cook reliably, it signals something extraordinary. It has crossed from being a machine built for industry into it being capable of working naturally in human spaces. Factory robots can weld, assemble, and operate with stunning speed, but only in repetitive, predictable settings. Put one of those robots in a kitchen, and it becomes nearly useless. Gen 3, however, can handle a frying pan, crack eggs, cook them to the desired consistency, and remove them at the right moment. Achieving this required Tesla to train the robot continuously, sometimes for months, to push it toward mastery where mistakes are rare. This expanded its skill set from a few hundred actions in earlier versions to roughly 3,000 tasks today, nearly double what version 2.5 could manage despite its teleoperated stumbles. A major leap comes from Optimus Brain, which Musk often calls a real brain rather than a traditional robotic controller. Gen 3 can watch cooking videos, observe how humans prepare ingredients, and then run billions of simulated repetitions before performing the task in real life. It refines motions virtually until they're smooth and reliable. Once a robot can prepare a full meal, the idea of coming home to a cooked dinner prepared by your robotic assistant no longer sounds unrealistic. This capability isn't just about convenience. It changes how people view work, effort, and daily life. As Musk likes to say, work eventually becomes optional when robots can perform most tasks humans find tiring. Most robotics companies struggle in areas where Tesla appears to excel. Many robots can sprint, jump, box, or perform acrobatic maneuvers, yet they can't handle simple domestic tasks like peeling fruit, washing vegetables, or making a sandwich. Cooking exposes every weakness in robotics. Perception, decision-making, timing, grip control, and fine motor skills must work together flawlessly. And if Optimus truly masters these, it steps fully into human world. Musk estimates that once Optimus scales to 1 million units a year, the price could settle around $20,000 to $25,000. That's not cheap, but compared to long-term domestic help or caregiving costs, it could become a reasonable investment. The AI chip alone costs several $1,000s, and each arm includes over 24 actuators, showing just how advanced this machine is. Tesla is also integrating xAI's Grow voice model, letting Optimus interact naturally through conversation. Response times still need improvement, but already shows how tightly Tesla is merging robotics with artificial intelligence. Musk has repeatedly emphasized that the human hand is humanity's greatest evolutionary tool, capable of both power and delicate precision. To build a general-purpose robot, Tesla needed to recreate that versatility. Many robotics companies fail here. Their robots walk well but can't grasp fragile objects or perform smooth, fluid motions. Optimus Gen 3 aims to solve this with hands capable of controlled grip force, intricate movement, and rapid learning through video. Laundry is another example of a deceptively complex task. Sorting clothing by color, fabric, and dirt level demands advanced vision and judgment. Loading a washing machine requires precise grip strength and stable posture. Folding clothes is even harder, something industrial robots almost never attempt. But by observing online tutorials and simulating tasks millions of times, Optimus can learn how to fold shirts, pants, and towels reliably. If it can manage a full laundry cycle, sorting, washing, drying, folding, and putting clothes away, it could save families hours every week. Beyond household tasks, Musk believes Optimus will generate income for its owners. A single robot could work in restaurants, move goods, serve customers, or assist in commercial settings. Tesla has already showcased this at Tesla Diner, where robots perform actual operational tasks. With a purchase price possibly around $50,000, the payback period could be only a few years. In Musk's broader vision, robots like Optimus could help eliminate poverty and bring high-quality care to everyone, even supporting doctors and hospitals by handling procedures requiring extreme precision. To Musk, Tesla didn't suddenly decide to build robots. The company has been building robots for years in the form of electric vehicles, each equipped with batteries, motors, sensors, computing, and AI. Optimus is simply the next step, a robot that moves on legs instead of wheels. Tesla has already overcome the 3 hardest barriers: advanced hands, real-world AI, and large-scale manufacturing. That's why the company believes it can eventually produce tens of millions of humanoid robots, maybe even more than its cars. Gen 3 marks the clearest shift toward a world where chores, dangerous work, and repetitive labor no longer fall on humans. Goodbye.